I was just out.
What is going on, guys? Somebody here? Somebody else? A guy named Brayden, aka Lynch Mob. Somebody here? We got Jed, the bed, here. We got this series! Woo! Jed?
Hello guys, it's Jed the Bed here, and we are playing Survival with Lynch Mob Gaming and my face. Oh wow, what a lucky start. As y'all can see, I literally just opened the world.
Wait! Did you put the secret thing in there? In the text? Yeah. So we have a new texture pack. No. We have a new series. Because last series it didn't turn out well. We had sports all over the place. Alright, so Kayson's using this one website, and he can only videotape for 10 minutes.
Yeah, these videos are going to be really short.
Yeah,
I'm sorry
and and I'm going to do what he does. I have to end it at exactly 10 minutes. When I try to.
We could go.
Like, I could go
longer.
I could go farther, but then Kayson has some stuff in between episodes. I have this bat right next to me that I'm just touching.
Yeah, so this season might go way longer than the last season.
Whoa! I got a mango.
Last season we didn't even have a good start.
Look, I got a mango.
You have a mango?
Yeah, look. I got a mango. Read it. Give it back to me though.
Mango.
Give it back.
It literally says mango. I didn't know that.
Give it to me. I want it back. Thank you. Oh.
This literally says mango.
This is a lucky mango.
Yeah, we have mango.
We better keep it in there for a long time. I want to see if we can cook a mango.
Yeah, I wonder. I don't think I can though. I think it would be Darude. But okay, I'm going to show you one of the other items. Now this one, I'm for sure what it is. Okay, I think this will work. I got a knife.
My inventory is already full.
How is it full?
Of blocks.
Look, read what it says. It says knife.
Knife? For what?
It says knife. It's literally a knife. We're playing Modern Survival.
Oh, y'all just wait.
Oh yeah, we have one other thing too.
Just telling you, there's such thing as a chainsaw.
Yeah, we have chainsaws.
And there's such thing. Oh, what the crap?
What? What happened?
What the heck? This is a wooden sword. A crab's claw.
Oh, nice. Does it say crab's claw?
Yes. It's ugly. It's ugly, it's stupid. Give me $500. And then a pickaxe is a regular pickaxe. What a deal.
Pickaxes are regular. And by the way, we're 4 minutes in, so we're going to have to stop it soon.
You're already 4 minutes in?
Yeah.
I'm 4 minutes and 40 seconds in.
I'm 4 minutes and 20.
So I can videotape it longer. like my videos may be a little bit longer.
I'm just gonna do really quick episodes and go up to like 100 episodes.
Oh, crap. Oh, I got a knife.
Got a knife? Nice. We need diamonds to get the next one. No, we need gold. I think, right?
I think so.
Yeah, and we also need spiders.
Spiders? I'm gonna. Come here, tree. You're ugly.
Playing on
You're
PC.
stupid. Give me all your wood.
If y'all have a gamer tag, put it down below, and we'll consider adding you into our series.
Yes. We already have.
What I got?
We already have one guy already in our series, but his thing's not working.
Oh, I found a mango! I got another mango!
We got 2 lucky mangoes.
Yes, now we can have like, I think we can eat the mangoes. And I'm gonna show y'all guys in the settings that we are on hard mode.
Yes.
See, we're on hard
Wait,
mode.
we're on hard mode?
Yeah, we're on hard mode.
I want to see if we could cook mango.
Come on,
No, we can't. We can't cook our lucky mango.
I think the mangoes are supposed to be apples, but we put them in the mangoes instead of apples.
No, because it's the texture pack.
No, we're playing modded.
We are?
Did you not know I installed? Did you not know I installed mod pack?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I installed the mod pack.
Put
Remember how we were?
Put realistic. So the knives look realistic and stuff.
Yeah, we were gonna add realistic texture pack, but we couldn't.
I'm gonna try.
Yeah, if you can add it, then just add it in. But if you can't, then that's perfectly fine. We won't play with regular. I think it might mess up the textures already in it. So.
I can't do it.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Alright.
Ooh, I'm 7 minutes in. We're getting really close to the end of episode 1, and we're already on a farm.
Yep. And we're in our basics, and we're gonna end it out in the swamp.
In the swamp or by?
So we will make. That's my laugh. That's my cow killing laugh. I just got a leather.
No! Why'd you kill him? Did you not see what I just made?
I'm sorry.
Are
Pig,
they gone?
Pig.
You will go inside the farm.
pig, no, don't run away. Don't run away, no. I will kill you if you don't run away. Oh, it just stopped me. Pig, I will kill you. I mean it, Casey, I will kill him.
Don't you dare.
With my crab claw, I will kill him if he doesn't run away. Well,
Fine, then I'll kill you with the knife.
I'll kill you with
Fine, then I'll
my
add
knife
you with the knife.
too. For assassins.
What?
Alright, I'm an animal since I'm going in here. Stop!
You're an animal.
Stop!
Hey.
Stop! I'm at low health.
Okay,
I'm at
you
low
are?
health, you idiot!
Oh, yes, I found clay. Oh.
There's the 2 hits you got off of me.
I'm at half a heart.
Yeah, that's how it went to me. Oh, the pig! The pig's sacrificing! Yes! We got a pig in there! Woo! We got the pig! He came right next to the cage! Are you trying to cut clay with a knife?
Yes, I cut clay with a knife. Don't judge me.
That's a nook.
don't cheat. Don't cheat.
Put him in. Put him in.
I forgot if they give
Oh,
us.
alright.
And
It's
then-
getting close to 10 minutes. Alright. Okay, we need to huddle up. I tried it. Alright. Go in F5.
Get it. It's
Alright.
an ending.
I'll see you guys next time. Hope you have a good day. Subscribe and leave a comment if you subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.